Hello everyone, this is Venkat. Now I am going to explain about finding roots of the equations using calci. The model is FX991 ES plus. Suppose the given problem is find the eigenvalues of the matrix A, that is 5 4 1 2 is given. We know the characteristic equation, determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0. Another one shortcut we know, lambda square minus lambda into trace of A plus determinant of A equal to 0. So lambda square, what is the trace? 5 plus 2. Sum of the diagonal elements, that is 7. Determinant, what is the determinant? AD minus BC. Here 10 minus 4, that is 6 I got. So go to this calculator, press on. After that there is a mode, press the mode. So here you need to select 5, that is equation. Select 5 means press 5 button. Then which type of equation you want? Second order, third order, so on. So here I will need second degree polynomial. So third one, press the third 3. Then quotient of A means here x square, it is of the type ax square plus bx plus c. Quotient of A is 1, B means minus 7, C means constant, that is 6. Then press equal to, you want the solution, no? So press equal button. So here you will get root, first root is 6, second root is 1. So your roots are lambda equal to 1 and 6. You can verify, we know sum of the eigenvalues equal to trace. What are the sum? 1 plus 6, that is equal to 7, trace is 5 plus 2, 7. Product of eigenvalues, that is 6, is equal to determinant. What is the determinant? Also 6. So come to next. Second problem. Find the eigenvalues of the matrix 7, 4, minus 4, it is 3 cross 3. So we know the shortcut lambda cube minus lambda square into trace of A, lambda into sum of minors of diagonal elements minus determinant of A. So see here. So here I got this as a polynomial. I want the roots here. So same thing, mode, go to mode, select the fifth option, that is equation. Then which type of polynomial? Third degree polynomial. Then press 4. Then enter the elements. So here first lambda cube quotient is 1. Lambda square is 9. Then minus 81. Then press equal to minus 729. Finally press equal to. So here I got lambda equal to 9 and again press equal to minus 9. So here it is showing x1 and x2. Then press. So here I am getting 1, that is a quotient of A only. Means here I need to get 3 roots. So third one is miss. Maybe 9 or minus 1 it is repeated. So how to get the repeated one? We know. So we assume that is lambda. We know sum of eigenvalues equal to trace. 9 minus 9 plus lambda equal to, what is the trace for this matrix? 7 minus 8 means here minus 16. Minus 16 plus 7 means minus 9. So minus 9 is the trace. So this will cancel, lambda equal minus 9. So third eigenvalue is minus 9 only. So minus 18 plus 9, it is minus 9. So here trace is also minus 9. So come to the last one, find the eigenvalues of the matrix. So here I got the characteristic equation. Then press 5 and select the fourth one, that is third degree polynomial. Enter the elements here. Lambda cube quotient is 1. Lambda square is 1. Then minus 21. Last constant is minus 45. Here see here. Press here equal to, then you will get the first root as 5. Second one is minus 3. Third one, it is not showing the third one. So let us assume lambda. We know the trace. What is the trace? Minus 2 plus 1 plus 0 means minus 1. 5 minus 3 plus lambda equal to minus 1. So the repeated one may be 5 or minus 3. So from this only it is repeated. So it is 2 plus lambda equal to minus 1. lambda equal to, if you taken this 2 into this right hand side, it will become minus 2, total will become minus 3. Means lambda equal to 5 minus 3 minus 3. So here sum of the eigenvalues equal to minus 1, trace is also minus 1. So this is the way you can find using this calci, that is FX991 ES plus. This is another calci, this is the latest one, FX991 EX. FX991 EX. So here press the on button, there is a menu. So here in this menu, go to equations. So here I got equations xy is equal to 0, equation or function. So press equal to, then go to polynomial, simultaneous equation or polynomial. Go to polynomial. Of which degree you want? Suppose I am going to find this one, first one. So lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. So it is a polynomial of degree 2. Then select this 2. Then it is asking me to enter a quotient, x square quotient, that is 1. The next x quotient, that is minus 7. Then constant, that is 6. Then press equal to. So here first root is 6, second root is 1. Perfect. Then again come to second example. See here, lambda cube, this one. Same thing, go to again menu. After menu, so equation or function, select that one. Then polynomial, which degree you want? Third degree. So x cube quotient, it is asking me to enter x cube quotient, that is 1. Then lambda square quotient, 9 minus 81 minus 729. Press equal to. So first root is 9, second one is minus 9, third one here also I am not getting. So sum of eigenvalues equal to trace. In that way you will get the third eigenvalue. So in this way, either old model or new model you can find in an easy way. So thank you for watching. So please subscribe the channel so that you will get updated notification to your email ID. So thank you for watching.